Hi everyone, this is Mamta. So, if you are someone who is really passionate about learning English language but you just don't know where to start, what to do, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I will be showing what are the content, what are the resources I have used to improve my English, and I will be showing my notes as well, that how I used to construct sentences and what are the things that you have to do in order to learn this language. Overall, I will be breaking down every single thing into pieces so that you can understand easily. So let's start. First, I will say that you must have little bit knowledge about grammar. I am not saying that you should master grammar rules, every rules. I'm not saying. I'm just saying that start from tenses. Like as I started learning tenses and little some small vocabularies. You can see here. These are very small words that we should know, and these words are very common that we should know. So first I started from this. Then in this book I have tenses as well. So I started learning tenses. You can see here these tenses are very simple and this book provides tenses in a very simple way. So you can see I play cricket, we play cricket, and when we are talking about he or she, then we use s. He plays cricket, she plays cricket. Okay, so this is how I learned tenses. You can learn tenses from any textbook, or you can learn tenses from YouTube videos as well. There are multiple videos on YouTube. You can learn from there as well. After this, I have this one another grammar book as well. I'm not saying that you have to buy any specific grammar book. You can buy any book. Okay, it's not necessary. Like you just you can use whichever grammar book you have at your home. Knowledge this book will give you about tenses, modal verbs, action verbs. So it will provide this. Then it provides exercises as well. So whatever I have learned from this one page, I have to perform that in another page. Okay, it is not about only this book. Every grammar notebooks books provides these kind of exercises. So you can buy any kind of grammar book and you just have to practice your modal verbs and tenses. I will say that modal verb and tenses are really essential to speak English, to learn English. This is the very first step that you have to take in order to learn English. Next thing is writing diary. I used to write diary in, like, it's not necessary that you have to write 4 5 pages. I used to write simply one page and I used to describe my day, that whatever the things I have done whole day, I used to write about my day in the night. Okay, so this is how you can practice your writing style as well. And when you write, then when you are describing your day, then you describe like this, like I woke up this time, I had my lunch, I met with my friends, I went to college, I went to school, I spent time with my pets, I did this. This is how you are using tenses. You have to make diary your friend and you just have to speak whatever the things you want. And if you are making mistakes, no worry. I used to make mistakes a lot, and you can see in this diary as well, I have made many multiple mistakes. But mistakes is something that you don't have to afraid. Just do your work, just try to construct, try to describe your day in one page at least. Now it comes to reading. So in this starting, I had no knowledge about English, that how to read English, how to construct sentences, and I didn't know the meaning of like simple words. I didn't know the meaning of those words. So in the first, I didn't buy any books from market. I simply started reading my books, whatever the books I have available at my home. So I used to read those English books, and these notes are my sisters, my younger sisters notes. Here this book provides first English stories, and it will provide Hindi paragraph as well. So first just start reading child notebooks. Okay, if you have younger siblings, then use their books for reading, and if you don't have, then maybe definitely your neighbors have a child. So from for 1 hour, for 2 hour, just take their books and just read. If you are not understanding, no worry about that. Just do your work, read, and second time read, and third time read. Now you are a human being. If you are doing a thing again and again, then definitely you are not a dumb. Okay, you will read. If you are reading one thing twice and three times, then definitely you will understand. Okay, if you are not getting any word, if you are not understanding any word, then underline those lines. Okay, and so I'm talking about child books. In the starting, I didn't want to spend money. Then I just use child notebooks books so that I can read, I can understand. And when gradually I started understanding, I started reading books, I gain knowledge, and I gain interest in reading. Then I bought these self-help books from Amazon, and you can buy anywhere. Like if you have a store nearby your home, so you can buy from there as well. So these are the books, and I have multiple books for reading, but I'm showing these books only for you because these books are very simple to understand. Author has used simple English and simple perspectives, simple language, so that English learners can easily understand. So first I will recommend you to read Sudha Murthy's books. She is an Indian author, and she writes books in a very simple and interesting way. She shares stories, so we Indians can easily understand and we can easily relate with those stories. So I will first share that you must read Sudhamurti's book. Then the secret book is also important. If you are a person who thinks negative all the time, like me, I used to think every single thing in a negative way. I used to get everything in a negative way. So this book really changed my perspective, and author has used a very simple and interesting way. Author has wrote this book in a very simple way that everybody can understand. So I am just trying to say that try to read something in English. Whatever you can read, I'm not suggesting these books to you. If you are not comfortable in reading and spending money, then as I told you, you can read child's book as well. Next thing is writing about a topic. So you can choose whatever topic, whatever interest you have, you can choose according to your interest. And I used to pick group discussion topics. So first I used to search those topics on the internet, and I used to read about that topic. And then after searching and after reading that topic, I used to write that topic in my way. It's not necessary that you just have to use same words, same sentences, whatever the things I am remembering, because internet provides multiple paragraphs and I cannot copy paste those paragraphs in my notebook. And whatever the things I am remembering, only those things I write in these notebooks. You can see here I have wrote multiple topics and multiple questions. So I am preparing for interview, so I am writing about these things. But you can choose any topic, like about AI, how AI hampering our youth and how AI is helpful for our youth. You can search these kind of topics on the internet. First you have to read about that topic, and if you are liking writing, so write. If you are not liking writing, so it's not necessary to write. So just search about any topic and read whole topic, and then your main work starts here. After that you search the topic, you read the topic, and after that just try to explain that topic in your words. Okay, what you have to do, you have to speak about that topic in front of mirror. Okay, and you can record your voice as well in phone, and you can record yourself in camera as well, so that you can recognize that where you are making mistake, and you can correct your mistake as well. So first I used to choose any topic, that whatever the topic I want to learn today, so I just used to search that topic, and I used to read about that topic, and I used to speak about that topic in front of the mirror. This is how you can gain knowledge as well. You are learning this language as well, and you can gain knowledge as well. Now our final step is speaking, and you have to speak with real people. We have done reading, we have done grammar lessons, we have done writing as well. Now it's our final step to speak. It's we have gained input, lots of input. Okay, now this is the time to give output, and that output is your speaking. You have to speak with real people. Now problem comes that you don't have anyone with whom you can practice your English speaking. I can totally understand this. Here I have solution. This there are many social media platforms you can practice your English speaking. I highly recommend these two applications to practice speaking English. First is CV Speakify. This application provides 30 minutes to practice your English speaking. 30 minutes free. Okay. And if you want to practice your speaking much, then you can buy subscription as well. And second application is Talk Now. This application is totally free. I highly recommend, because here you will find very curious people to learn, and they are really using this application to improve themselves. And a Talk Now application is something I really don't have good experience, but many people have good experience in this on this application as well. I have used this application as well, Talk Now application. But yeah, both of the application are really good if in this starting. And yeah, that's all I wanted to share in this video.